Hello viewers, you're welcome once again to our online teaching series. Today we're going to take a look at a very simple and interesting question in chemistry. With example, define oxidation and reduction. Oxidation and reduction reaction is a very special kind of reaction in chemistry. And in chemistry, we short name it as Redox reaction. Redox reaction. That is reduction, oxidation, reaction. So we're going to take a look at the definitions of oxidation and reduction using three concepts. Number one, let's take a look at the first concept. The first concept is the addition or removal of hydrogen. Removal of oxygen rather. The addition and removal of oxygen. Now, by the principle of addition of or removal of oxygen, using the equation below, CuO, copper 2 oxide plus hydrogen to form copper plus water. Now, in this reaction, if we want to define oxidation, we said addition of oxygen to a substance. These are the reactants. Now, in the reactant, hydrogen now comes to form water in the product. It means oxygen has been added to hydrogen. So, we simply say that the hydrogen has undergone the process of oxidation because oxygen has been added to it. Because oxidation is the addition of oxygen to a substance. On the other hand, removal of oxygen from an oxygen-containing substance is called reduction. Oxygen has been removed from copper 2 oxide to form copper. So we say that the copper 2 oxide has undergone the process of reduction. Remember, reduction occurs because of the presence of hydrogen. So without hydrogen, copper 2 oxide wouldn't have undergone the process of reduction. So this substance that causes copper 2 oxide to have undergone the process of reduction is known as the reducing agent, while the donator of the oxygen, remember, hydrogen wouldn't have undergone the process of oxidation if copper 2 oxide has not donated oxygen to it. So the copper 2 oxide here is the oxidizing agent. Number two, let's quickly take a look at the second definition of oxidation and reduction by the principle of addition or removal of hydrogen. Now, by the principle of addition or removal of hydrogen, we can define oxidation as the removal of hydrogen from a substance. Now, let's take the example. When hydrogen sulfide, H2X, a gas, reacts with bromine, a gas, it results in the formation of hydrogen bromide plus from hydrogen bromide plus yellow sulfur deposit solid. Now we have two here. Our equation is balanced. Now from the reaction we have here we have hydrogen sulfide and hydrogen containing compound reacting with bromine. We define oxidation as a removal of hydrogen. So if you take a look at it, from hydrogen sulfide here, look at it. Hydrogen sulfide. Hydrogen has been removed from hydrogen sulfide to form sulfur. While bromine, hydrogen has been added to bromine to form hydrogen bromide. If oxidation is the removal of hydrogen from a substance and all the hydrogen present in hydrogen sulfide has been removed and the hydrogen sulfide has come to form yellow sulfur deposit, so we say that the hydrogen sulfide has undergone the process of oxidation. Whereas Hydrogen, addition of hydrogen to a substance is called reduction. Take a look at bromine. Hydrogen has been added to bromine to form hydrogen bromide. So we say the bromine has undergone the process of reduction. Now, in every redox reaction, we should understand that the substance that undergoes reduction is the oxidizing agent, while the species that undergoes the process of oxidation is the reducing agent, because in a redox reaction, the reducing agent ends up being oxidized, while the oxidizing agent ends up being what? Reduced. Now, this is number 2 definition of oxidation and reduction. Number 3 definition, let's quickly take a look at number 3. In number 3, we are going to take a look at the addition of electronegative atom. Now, if we are going to take a look at that, the addition of electronegative atom, let's take a look at the reaction between magnesium. The reaction between magnesium and chlorine. Now, in this reaction, this ordinary is supposed to form magnesium chloride, MgCl2. Now, here in this reaction, the addition of electronegative atom to a substance is what we call oxidation. This is magnesium, a metal, electropositive. So magnesium, something has been added to magnesium to form magnesium chloride. And that species that has been added to magnesium is an electronegative atom, such as chlorine. So we say that electronegative atom has been added to magnesium, thus magnesium has undergone the process of oxidation. So also, the chlorine is an electronegative atom and magnesium is electropositive. So if the addition of electronegative to a substance is oxidation, then the addition of electropositive to a substance will be reduction. So automatically, take a look at it, you find out that the chlorine, something has been added to the chlorine to form magnesium chloride, and that is magnesium. So we say that the chlorine has undergone the process of reduction. And just like I said before, in a redox reaction, the species that ends up being oxidized is the reducing agent. So in this case, magnesium is the reducing agent because it has caused chlorine to undergo the process of reduction, while the chlorine has caused magnesium to undergo the process of oxidation. So chlorine is our oxidizing agent. With these 3 examples, I believe we have done justice to the question. In our next episode, we'll see more definition of oxidation and reduction, especially when we'll be taking a look at the most concise definition of oxidation and reduction using the principle of electron loss and electron gain. Thank you very much until we meet in our next series. Bye.